Hey guys, what's up? Here's my Subaru. Yeah, I already swapped out the engine. Uh, yeah, it looks pretty nice. It's a turbo engine. So, and I bought a couple extra stuff. I got some coilovers. Uh, yeah, these coilovers are from O2 from O5 double RX, and it doesn't matter if it's a sedan or wagon; they're all the same. And they actually fit Foresters too. From mine's a 2001 Forester, and like no customizations, nothing, fits right in. So yeah, that's the front ones. The rear ones I already put them on, and the tire too. There you can kind of see them. Um, yeah, the hardest part is to adjust them to the right length. Like this tire did like I think five different times until it was the right length. Well, the second one, like, you just measure how much it sticks out underneath. Right there. The threads underneath, you just kind of measure them. But the weird thing is, I measured it, but this one is still shorter. And it sits like, I don't know, a quarter inch lower. This tire does. My driver's side and rear tire. But, you know, I can adjust it. So, that's what coilovers are for. Yeah, it looks pretty nice when it's low. See? That's up in the air. When I set it down, it goes up in my fender a little bit. So yeah. And these are pretty stiff. I got them on eBay for like, I think 250 bucks for all four. So yeah, if you try to get Forester coilovers that actually says if it's Foresters, they're like 900 bucks. Yeah, and the double RX ones from 2002 from '05 are like 250 bucks. So yeah.